crashing, and people are giving up for the time
That's it.
being.
Welcome to Yohei Cooking Dojo. Us. Today I'm going to teach the sushi. Sushi. You like sushi? But you know, sushi is, of course, you have to go to a sushi restaurant and you have to order. So today I'm going to teach the how to make roll, especially how to make roll. Making the roll today. Okay. So I already prepare fish and an egg, or sushi rice, or sushi vinegar. I already made it. So if you're interested, if you wanna know the recipe, maybe I'm going to write it down on my Facebook or Instagram or whatever my follower or my friend. Okay. So today is the first time volume 1 sushi. How to make sushi rolls? That's the point. And that's the specially different. Traditional way means Japanese way or American way. That's a different way. So that's I'm going to explain, and I'm gonna make today both rolls. So let's make, and I'm making the California roll first. That's the American way, okay? California roll. And number 4, next tuna roll. Tuna roll. This is I make a traditional way, okay? And number 5. Nigiri, yeah, that's nigiri. Yes, I teach you how do you make nigiri, and hand roll, which is maybe have you ever heard of temaki? Temaki means hand roll, so I'm teaching the hand roll. And also I'm trying to explain one more thing. Oh yeah, futomaki. Futomaki is a Japanese traditional way to sushi. It's kind of a big one, but I'm going to make a middle one. So let's say chumaki, like futomaki, chumaki, something like that. Okay. So yes, okay. This one I made already, but I didn't use the special egg roll machine. But I didn't use it. I use this one like regular, because I want to you guys making that at home. You don't need the special things. That's the point. Even you don't need. I use this one to make roll, but of course, American people, it's difficult to find this one. So I'm going to teach we don't need this. Okay? Okay, thank you. Wow, Ojozu, thank you so much. She said this is good. Yeah. If you have, or if you go to the Asian market, maybe you can get this. I don't think you can get the American grocery store, but this is a thing is for sushi. But if you don't have this is just $2, $3 maybe. But if you don't have, don't worry about it. I'm gonna teach you how do you make a sushi roll with only wrap, plastic wrap. Yeah, like this. Only plastic wrap, you can make it. So I'm gonna teach you that way too, okay? Okay, so what do you mean? Traditional way and the American way, right? Yeah, traditional way is the roll. Sushi is outside. Seaweed is outside. So inside rice and tuna or cucumber, avocado, whatever. And the American way is rice outside. Rice outside. Sorry, my pronunciation. I cannot pronounce R. So rice. Okay, rice outside. That's the American way. That is the first time. Okay, let's start right now. Let's make California roll. All right, thank you so much. You guys are waiting, right? Okay. Okay, just check it out here. All right. First, when you're making the first California roll, right? You should make a little bit. Put the water for the cutting board because the rice is sticky, so that's why I put a little bit. So first, I need a crab, kanikama. Oily, Nagao-san. Yeah. Okay. This is kanikama. Thank you. Now it's difficult to find good avocado. So let me open. If too black, I'm sorry about that. Okay, that's okay. Usually here is green and yellow, but I'm sorry about it. I have only this, so I can make that. All right, you need avocado and the kanikama. Or if you can find this crab, you can get a grocery store like American, like a crab cake, or fish cake. Fish cake. Or you can find a snow crab or something like this. That's the more tasty. So you need that and nori. Yeah, you can put here. And sushi rice I made already. So make a little bit. Put the water. Your hands. I explained two things because a lot of people pushing rice. How can I say? Push the rice too much. So that's unprofessional. So let me explain later what's the bad sushi, what's good sushi. I'm gonna make first good sushi. Okay. Oh, you cannot see. So I'm taking the rice right now. There's a lot of people when you're making the sushi put too much rice here. So maybe I prefer to let's say 60 or 70 gram, which is how many ounce? Maybe like a 2 ounce. Yeah, around the 2 ounce. That's the best way because when you put rice too much, that tastes no good. So like this much. So when you're making sushi roll, make. Can you see that? Okay. You should. It's difficult to teach and making. It's so hard. So first put here. Okay. Touching the softly, nicely. Don't push. Like 今転がすってなんて言うんだ英語でjust roll? Okay, yeah. Like same thing the rice, like a roll. No, don't push, okay? A lot of people push like this. No, just like roll like that. That's the professional way. So rice gonna be not sticky, okay? And also when you roll rice like this, its texture different. I forgot to buy sesame today, so this is Sapporo Ichiban noodle ramen, the salt, taste salt. So I use that sesame. Okay. can put the sesame like that, a little bit. You can buy sesame American grocery store anyway, so. But today I forgot. So some people put here, fish egg, but it's okay today. Just basic things. So and flip, but you need to distance here a little bit. Here. Don't put the rice all over. Just a little distance. And flip. This side. And crab. Avocado. Oh, 2:30. Okay, I have to make quickly, man. Okay, let's do it. So avocado this much. When you put avocado or things here like a fish, anything, don't put too much. You gotta break. You cannot roll. So I put this time this much, or a little bit. I can put a little bit more, because put avocado a lot. That's tasty. It's really yummy, right? Okay, just like that, a little bit more. Alright, can you see this? Okay, then here's no rice. I didn't put the rice. This here, distance. So making like that. Okay. I made a roll, and if you have this, of course, very easy. Just cover. I gotta make one more time again, and I explain to you without this. Okay. So this times too. So put the cover like that. Don't push this finger. This is just, you just put here, and then this finger you push, and then make like a square. You see, I push this finger, but I don't move this. Just put on here, and this side, a little bit and avocado here. So make like this, and a little bit push, and put inside. Again, this side, and push almost. Alright? And when you cut, put the knife, put a little bit water, and in the middle, okay? Knife, use here. That's the best way, maybe. My knife. So use here, and you have to move like this. Then you can cut. I show you, and put it here. Don't push, okay? Don't push. You have to slide. Knife is when you slide, you can cut. So, okay. And this one make this way. And again, a little bit push, and make sure the size. And then one more time, half. And one more time, half. One more time, half. Then you make like that. That's the California roll. Alright? Like this, perfect. Good. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time.